I met the crew of The Conjuring, The Shining, The Ring, It, and The Exorcist. And don't worry, I survived. If you want to create such ultra-realistic horror reels from home without getting possessed, type course and I'll share the details. If you want to create such Hollywood-style reels using AI and want to learn this step by step, watch the complete tutorial. Don't miss a single part. Now let's dive right in. Step 1. Take the first prompt from the document, which is the provided document in description. You can also claim this by typing prompt in the comment section. Okay, take the first model prompt and go to ChatGPT. Now here you will have to paste the model prompt. Let's understand what does this model prompt say. By this model prompt, basically you can create any selfie style reel, changing the name of the movie which you want to create, or you can also use, instead of movie, you can use a movie star name or anybody's name as and how you want. Now here my theme is horror films, so I have taken a couple of names of the horror movies, right? So I have modified the prompt by adding fearful expression, because your image has to have a fearful expression, and here you will have to change the name of the movie accordingly. You can write a small prompt that what exactly in the scene you want to show at the background, and then you'll have to hit send message option. Once you hit that, likewise you can see I have created a selfie style scene for Shining movie. The entire prompt would be given. Then again I modified it for Conjuring the same way I have shown. So I have got the Conjuring entire prompt, right? Structured prompt. Let us create one particular image. So I'm creating these Insiders movies image. So they will give a structural prompt if you use this prompt. So if you want this prompt, please type prompt in the chat so that I can send it across. Okay. So I have got this particular and the script. Okay. So I'll have to just copy this, and now we'll have to go for Nano Banana. So go to Gemini and go to this plus button. Image should be selected. Upload the file. Make sure the file which you are uploading is having your full image, proper full image. So let me just get one. Yeah, I want to use this particular image. So I'll just attach this, and then I'll be simply attaching the detail. Okay, and send it so that if the image is 9:16, then the image will come also in 9:16 ratio. If your image is 16:9, then it will be 16:9 only. Okay, so if you want to see another version of this particular content, another tutorial where I have shown Hollywood films, not the horror films, you can check I button, the top right hand side corner, or towards the end of the video also I'll be giving that video link. I'll be also providing that video link in the pinned comment as well as in the description. With that, let us find the image. How is it turning out to be? Voila, as you can see, my image, horrifying image, is ready with 100% face match. So I'm going to download this. Okay, like this, actually I have created all these images, guys. As you can see, I can also show you here. I have used Nano Banana only. So I have created all these images, and if you want to see how did I create this, you can refer to my previous video. Yep, these images I have created. All these images I have created in selfie mode. to create the final video. Okay, this is the first step. So create the prompt is the first step. Second step is creating the image with Nano Banana with your selfie uploaded. Now we will be going to the third software, which is Kling AI. Okay, so in Kling AI, if you want to have if you want to have 500 credits extra from my side, you can check my link in the description. Okay. Here you'll have to go to this simply video generation option. Okay, as you can see, I have generated all these videos with prompt. Okay, so this kind of a prompt you will have to use. Okay, so how will you use this prompt? Again, these prompts would be provided, video prompts would be provided in the document itself. If you want these prompts, as you can see, all these videos prompts I will be providing in the same document. Please claim it by typing prompt in the chat box. Now, last step, go to Kling AI and open image to video option. Okay, here if you will have to go to frame 1. Now here you will have to give the previous scenes image. So this has been uploaded. Now I will delete the end frame and I will take the last image which I want to use as end frame as my last frame. Okay, the video prompt which I have provided, it will be as it is. This video prompt will be as it is. Okay, no change. Claim it by typing prompt in the comment section. Now it's up to you. If you want 5 seconds or 10 seconds long, it's up to you. So for the time being, I'm keeping it 5 seconds long only, so that the consumption is low. And make sure Turbo 2.5 is selected, not 2.6. Okay, Turbo 2.5. Now if you want to have an audio, a sound effect also, that you can add from here. But then again, you will have to mention what is the sound effect that you're looking for. I am not keeping it on, and I will simply hit generate. And again, if you want to use the next reel, then this image will become the first image. So let me just upload that. This image has to be my first image, first frame, and the next film's video image has to be my last frame. So I'll again upload another image. This is where I started with. Okay, so I'll be uploading this again, keeping the same prompt, no change is required. Hit generate. Let it upload first. Okay, and then hit generate. That's how you should be creating scene by scene transformation videos first. Then you will have to combine. Okay, and then open it. Then one by one, frame by frame, you will have to add. My frames are starting from here. Okay, this is starting from here, so I'll be adding this. Then the last frame, check the last frame. Okay, this is my last frame. Let me just change the setting so that you guys can see it. Yeah, this setting, I'll have to change the aspect ratio. 9:16. Yeah, so here I'm ending. So my second frame will also start from here. So let's see. Yeah, so it will be showing continuity. Again, last frame is this, so check. So this is going to be my next first frame. So last frame of the previous set should be the first frame of the next set. Okay. Okay, so like this you will have to continue creating the entire video. And then if you want to give some horror sound effect, you can go to sound effect option, AI sound effect option. Here whatever sound effect you want, you can explain that in 100 characters by 30 credits. You can create that sound effect and you can add that. I have a couple of it, so you can add those sound effects as in how you want. And then finally go to export and export the entire reel and upload it and rack a lot of millions of views in Instagram. Do let me know in the comment section. If you want the prompt, please type prompt so that I can send the main prompt structure across, so that your job is much easier. With that, let us see the final video.
If you are serious about creating viral AI Reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my Viral AI Reel Mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI Reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now.
I met the crew of The Conjuring, The Shining, The Ring, It, and The Exorcist. And don't worry, I survived. If you want to create such ultra-realistic horror reels from home without getting possessed, type course and I'll share the details.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.